Hello, welcome to my video. So this is the second part of the how to move files from your hard drive to your external hard drive. So in other words, how to move files off of your computer to your external hard drive. Sorry, I guess I said that wrong. In either case, I have opened this up. If you don't remember how to find your external hard drive after you plugged it into your computer, look at the first video. Anyway, in this one, I want to go over two things as quickly as possible. The first thing is after you copied all of your files and folders to your external hard drive, there's well, anyway, let me go back over how to copy things over into your external hard drive, right? Or how to move things over into your external hard drive. So let's say we've moved all of our folders and files. These are folders, the ones that look like folders, and these are files. So after you've moved them over to your external hard drive, you open it up, or it should already be open. And like I said in the previous video, you should make separate folders to move all of your different files into. Move the folders or move the files that are documents like PDFs and things like that. You can move those into your documents folder. If you got any saved pictures, which I'm sure a lot of people do, you can move them over to your picture folder. And likewise, if you got some videos, you can move those into your video folder, right? And to go over real quickly how you do that, it doesn't matter which file you have, just choose whichever file you want to move over there, and you just highlight it. And then if you want to move more than one, what you do is on the next files on your keyboard, you can press the control button and hold down the control button, and then choose as many files as you want to highlight to move, right? And then if you decide, oh, that's too many, I don't want to save 6 or 5, you can just go back over, still putting your finger over the control button on your keyboard, and then you can left click it and it will deselect it, right? So you do that, you choose which files you want to save, you right click, and once again, the menu opens up. You want to choose the cut icon, left click, you go to a folder, you double click on that folder and open it up, right? And then you may have other files in there, what have you. And then you want to go to the icon that says paste, and you can either left click it there, or you can right click on an empty spot, and then you can left click on paste from there, okay? Once you get a lot of files in here, you won't be able to click on an empty space in here. That's when you'll want to choose the icon to paste everything on here. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, one more thing I want to show you, okay, is that to properly take this external hard drive out of your computer. You don't want to just yank out the external hard drive. If you do that, it's a possibility of you not only losing these files again, but of corrupting the files, okay? There's a proper way of you disconnecting your external hard drive. And here's how you can do that. You can either open up the File Explorer, and I'll go ahead and open that for you. You can just go ahead and come down here to File Explorer icon, left click it, come over here on the left hand side, go down to your external hard drive, and you can right click, right? Sorry about that. You can right click, and then you can choose eject. If you choose eject, it will go ahead and properly disconnect your external hard drive from your computer. After you do that, it will go ahead and let you take out your external hard drive from the USB port. But you need to choose eject. And again, the way you do that is you just right click on it, and then you go to eject. Do not choose format. That will delete everything on your external hard drive. This is a big no-no unless you want to. You'll lose everything on the hard drive if you choose this one. You choose eject. Now, before I do that completely, here's the second way you can do that. You want to properly disconnect the hard drive in another spot. You can do it here too. You go down here to this little arrow. You left click on it. Left click with your left mouse button. And then you come and you look for this little external hard drive icon. You right click, and then you can eject it from here too. Right? Let me see something else. Let's see here. If you left click it, it'll show eject as well. Okay? Sometimes if you just go to it, you'll have an icon that says, as you can see pop up right there, it says safely remove safely remove hardware and eject media. Sometimes you'll see that, sometimes it'll just say eject. You just right click on it with your right mouse button, and then you left click on eject, and see, it says safe to remove hard drive. At this point, and only at this point, do you want to go ahead and remove the hard drive. And it'll say something like that. It'll say safe to remove it, or it'll say go ahead and remove it. You want to properly remove your external hard drive, and that's the best way of doing it. That ensures that you don't lose anything off of your hard drive when you safely and securely and do it the right way of disconnecting your external hard drive. So, thank you very much for looking at this video. I just wanted to make that clear for people who've never used an external hard drive before. Appreciate you guys looking at this video. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.